Welcome to our channel. Boosting Wi-Fi. Multi-router setup for large homes. Why single routers fail in large homes? Most standard routers struggle to deliver stable coverage across multiple floors or big spaces, leading to dead zones. Understanding multi-router setup. A multi-router setup uses two or more routers working together to expand coverage and provide consistent internet speed everywhere. Choosing the right routers. Select dual-band or tri-band routers that support modern standards like Wi-Fi 6 for seamless performance. Placement matters the most. Strategically place routers in central locations, avoiding walls and heavy furniture, to maximize coverage. Wired versus wireless backhaul. Connecting secondary routers via Ethernet provides better speed, while wireless backhaul offers flexible placement. Setting up secondary routers. Configure additional routers as access points or mesh nodes for smooth connectivity without interference. Avoiding channel interference. Ensure each router operates on different channels to prevent overlapping signals and performance drops. Using mesh Wi-Fi systems. Mesh routers automatically connect and optimize signals, making them perfect for hassle-free large home setups. Securing your multi-router network. Always enable WPA3 or WPA2 encryption and strong passwords to protect your expanded Wi-Fi network. Enjoying seamless connectivity everywhere. With the right setup, you can enjoy strong Wi-Fi for streaming, gaming, and work in every corner of your home. Thank you for watching.